everyone, welcome to Cognify Concepts. In this video, we're going to learn the basics of triangles. We'll go beyond just recognizing a triangle and focus on how to classify triangles based on their sides and angles, and understand their key properties. This is a core topic in geometry and it connects to almost everything you learn later. So let's get started. A triangle is a polygon with exactly 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. But in geometry, we don't just identify triangles, we classify them based on specific properties. The two main ways we can classify triangles are by their side lengths and by their angle measures. Understanding both is important because a single triangle can be classified in more than one way at the same time. So first, let's classify the triangles based on their side lengths. Number 1 is an equilateral triangle. All 3 sides are equal in length. Because the sides are equal in length, all angles are also equal, making it a very symmetrical triangle. Number 2 is an isosceles triangle. 2 sides are equal in length. The angles opposite the equal sides are also equal. This symmetry helps in solving many geometry problems later. Number 3 is in scalene triangle. All 3 sides are different lengths. That also means all 3 angles are different. Scalene triangles have no symmetry in their side lengths. Now let's classify triangles based on their angles. Number 1. Acute triangle. All 3 angles are less than 90 degrees. Number 2. Right triangle. One angle is exactly 90 degrees. This is one of the most important triangle types in geometry. And number 3 is an obtuse triangle. One angle is greater than 90 degrees. This creates a wider, more open triangle shape. Now let's combine everything with examples. In these examples, we have to tell what type of triangle it is by sides and by angles. So number 1, a triangle has 2 equal sides and one angle of 90 degrees. So by sides, we can tell that it is an isosceles triangle. And by angle, we can tell that it is a right triangle because it has a 90-degree angle. By angle, we can tell that it is a right triangle. That's our answer. Example 2. A triangle has all 3 different sides and one angle is greater than 90 degrees. So, by sides, we can tell that it is a scalene triangle because all 3 sides are different and none of them are the same. Scalene triangle. And by angle, we can tell that it is an obtuse triangle because one of them is greater than 90 degrees. Obtuse triangle. So that's the final answer. Example 3. A triangle has all equal sides. That automatically means all angles are equal as well. So, by sides, we can show that it is an equilateral triangle. By sides, equilateral triangle. And by angles, it is an acute triangle. Acute triangle. So that's the final answer. To summarize, triangles are classified by sides and angles. By sides, they can be classified as equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. By angles, they can be classified as acute, right, or obtuse. One triangle can belong to multiple categories. Always classify using properties and not just appearance. Now you understand how triangles are classified. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.